Casement windows are popular across the country because they direct in lots of airflow in your home.
Very convenient window. It's easy to open. My name is Rick Weinbein. I'm the plant manager for Renewal by Andersen.
I'm Kelly Klein, an in-home consultant with Renewal by Andersen. We're going to talk about casement windows.
The casement window is often referred to as a crank-out window.
A casement window is usually taller than wide. Our casement windows are designed to operate smoothly and efficiently. The whole side hinges open to provide full ventilation.
The casement window gives the homeowner a lot of flexibility.
We often see casement windows stand alone, but they can also be combined with other units, maybe even a picture window to make a larger opening.
So one of the benefits of the casement window is that it has an easy, clean hinge, allowing the homeowner to open the window, clean the interior, and clean the exterior without having to climb a ladder.
When you crank your casement window closed and pull it locked, it will actually lock and catch multiple points with an actuator bar. Mortise and tenon is a true sign of quality craftsmanship. Beautiful lines, very, very strong corners.
It doesn't have the unsightly lines of a welded corner. Fibrex material, being a composite material, offers a lot of benefits, from weatherability to solid construction and structure. Fibrex composite material means that you're never going to have to paint and scrape again.
With our high-performance, low E4 glass, you won't have to worry about temperature swings, being too hot or too cold.
The great part about Renewal by Andersen is that we are a turnkey operation. You order from us, we build the window, we install the window into your home. Renewal by Andersen provides almost all the options that a consumer needs, from color to interior grills to different profiles and so forth.
When you replace windows, there's many options. We just have to sit down and figure out what your needs are. So it's not very common in the industry to have a full parts and labor warranty that covers the product and the installation.
What excites me about Renewal is, number one, again, it's part of the Andersen family. It's been around for 110 years.
I get excited that I've got this 110-year history behind me that's supporting me, that's giving me a great product to put in the home, and I'm helping homeowners every day increase the value of their home, increase the beauty of their home, and it's going to be a long-lasting solution for them. I love that part of it.